travel, there is no problem because I have the power bank. So it's very heavy. I always bring this with me and it's heavy. That's why they are surprised. Why your bag is very heavy? You know, I have this one. It's heavy. You know, grandpa, every time I walk, I go out. Every time I go out, I bring with me my bag. So my bag, you know, my bag, this one, my bag. I also have backpack. I put this inside. So my bag is heavy. I have umbrella. I have umbrella there. I have like, oh, what's the, there's alcohol. There's many things inside. There's alcohol, eyeglass, and